Welcome to Ren's Review. My name is Ren, and I review restaurants, resorts, rentals, and more for your travels and recreations. Today, I will be renting a 2020 Hyundai Sonata SE. The manufacturer's suggested retail price on the Hyundai website, brand new, starts at $23,600. But you and I both know that you could always talk the dealer down, so we'll call this around $20,000. Let's take a look at what makes this car worth $20,000. First, you have your choices of color from Hampton Gray, Portofino Gray, Shimmering Silver Pearl, Phantom Black, Calypso Red, and Stormy Blue. If bought brand new, the 2020 Sonata comes with a 5-year, 60,000 mile standard warranty, meaning that you are promised it will work and drive, excluding your own personal accidents and damages, of course. The same goes for the 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain, but that's more about the engine, transmission, and the drivetrain. The 7-year anti-perforations talks about corrosions or rust of any component through the metal body panel from the lower window line down. So basically, any component underneath your car won't rust or corrode for those 7 years. And finally, the 5-year 24/7 roadside assistance means that if you break down, have a flat tire, run out of gas in the middle of the highway, you are guaranteed roadside assistance to come and help you out. Here are some safety features that come standard. These are marked with the letter S, so if you want to continue reading, go ahead and pause. I also highlighted some interior features. You get to choose from a black interior or a white interior. And of course, you can't forget about the gas mileage. You get an average of 33 miles per gallon on a 15.9 gallon tank. Next, I included some engine details. I also popped the hood for you to take a gander. Unfortunately, I'm not a car guru, so I won't say too much. Let's take a look at the trunk. You have your spare wheel with tools in case of an emergency. Within the dashboard, you have many different options to customize from. The same goes for your dash touchscreen. finally, let's take a look at how this drives. This is going at a normal 70 mile per hour speed, while this is going at a speed of over 100 miles per hour. You'll notice the change in RPMs indicating the automatic shift in gears. It's never a good idea to have your revolutions per minute run over 5,000, but I'm just demonstrating the capabilities of what the 2020 Hyundai Sonata can handle. Overall, this car handled pretty well. What really stood out to me was how cheap the price is, the gas mileage, and the overall look. I would give the 2020 Hyundai Sonata SE a 4.3 out of 5 stars. That will do it for today. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you in the next review.